Hey, this is the Daily Overpass. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today, let's talk about monetization for the instant games on Facebook Messenger. So every year I watch Google I/O, I watch WWDC, right? And they always come out with their new announcements and the new platforms and everything like that. And it's always really fascinating. But then you get to the point of, how can I use this and how can I make money from it? Like an example is Google Assistant, right? The little speaker. This is one of the things that I would love to code something for it. But every time I start looking at it, I have no idea monetization options. Like it might be fun as a hobby or something like that, or maybe to build some notoriety, but I don't know, it's not enough to invest in learning the technology if I don't understand how it's gonna benefit in the long run. Is it gonna be a business or is it gonna be a hobby, right? And a lot of things are like that. It's if I owned like a pizza chain, if I owned Pizza Hut, or if I worked for Pizza Hut, then it would make sense, because then I could build something where people could order pizza and that's the revenue stream. But when you don't have that back-end revenue stream, monetization is something we think about all the time. And this is one of the great things about apps. This is what got me into apps to begin with, is because you have the in-app purchases, you have those very quick purchasing decisions, you also have advertising, everything like that. So last week, Facebook had a post on their website, on their Messenger website, saying that they're starting some new monetization options for their instant games on Messenger. So, instant games are, if you ever use Facebook Messenger, and more people are using it all the time now, if you go into the little corner there, you can see the little game icon, and they started off with like 20 games, and and the list is growing. And what they announced last week was they're going to start with rewarded ads and interstitial ads, and they're just starting on the beta for in-app purchases, which is actually really big news because it answers a lot of questions. Why would I do this, right? And it also, so when I see something like this, I start looking at like the Phaser framework, start looking at HTML5 games, like which I've looked at before in terms of using PhoneGap and stuff like that, but it always just seemed to be so slow to me. And I know these things are improving all the time, right? But when I saw this article, I thought, this could be something in the future. I mean, right now it seems like it's a closed beta at the moment. I'll put a link below so you can register for it and find out some information if you're interested. But the fact that, what does Facebook have, like 2 billion users now? So it's it's this, whereas we have Android, we have iPhone, Facebook is a cross-platform entity on its own, and everybody is on Facebook, and more we're using Messenger. In fact, if you go to our website and you go to the top banner, we used to have a MailChimp newsletter sign up, but now we have the what's it called, ManyChat Facebook Messenger thing. So if you go and register there, you'll have like basically RSS feeds. So every time we post a video or an article or something like that, you get notified in Messenger, which might be a little bit more annoying. We're kind of just trying it out, but Messenger as a platform is becoming more and more important. Now, at the moment, I'm not going to do anything with this. It's just something I'm going to keep my eye on. Like when I go in it, and I was just testing it out, because to be honest with you, I've never played a game on Messenger, but I know loads of people who have, and it's a perfect, multiplayer, type of thing, right? But when I looked at it, I was thinking, the search, how would the search work, how will the algorithms work, how will the ads work, all this kind of stuff. But it's something definitely to keep in mind, because this could be the future. This could be a year from now or 2 years from now. A lot of us who are in Android games or in iPhone games and who left Windows games or whatever, that this is something we might be interested in. This might be another revenue stream, right? It's so nice to have somebody say, okay, this is how you can make money from it, and this is the reason to go ahead and do it. So I think we're going to see a lot of growth in that area. So anyway, let me know what you guys think. First of all, have you done anything with Facebook games? How have you monetized it in the past? Is it something that you've coincided with your apps and everything like that? And is it something is it something that you're interested in? Because it's something that I'm kind of excited about, I gotta be honest with you. So, but nothing I'm gonna act on just yet. But anyway, so that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. And that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.